Good morning. I was watching this bird, Starling, eat snow. It's all fluffed out. The feathers are all fluffed out. They seem to do that more so, eat snow, than go to the heated pet dish. It's very cold this morning. There it goes again. I don't see that very much. Just proves how birds get their moisture during winter. They eat snow if it's around. If it's not around, then they have to look for water that's not frozen. And one way to do that in my yard is with this heated pet dish right there. This morning the edges around it were frozen, but hey, I knocked it off quickly. Wasn't frozen solid, and it was -1 Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching.